Hi, this is Lisa Braithwaite, but you can call me Coach Lisa B. I mentor entrepreneurs and professionals to help them deliver meaningful and memorable presentations in order to build their businesses through speaking. Today's tip is about notes. And yes, you can use notes. Whether it's a piece of paper or a couple of note cards or your device, there are ways to use your notes that are more effective and less distracting to your audience. First of all, you want to use a really big font, something that you won't have to squint at and something that you don't have to hold right in front of your face to be able to see. Second, use just simple keywords or phrases so that you don't get lost in sentences and paragraphs. And third, practice with your notes so that you get used to the flow and you internalize the order that your concepts and your ideas go in. That is my tip for today, and I will see you next time.